Daddy.
Can you open it?
Put it in the hood.
Okay, you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna help you, okay? This is from, can you say Mike and Sumiko and Mikey? Yeah, this one's for you. Here, how about this one? Can you open it? Oh my gosh, because I want to see you smile. Want to see your face with a smile. Come on. Alex, come here. Baby girl.
Alex,
Come here, baby.
come here. Open it. Let's see.
What's in there?
Mommy has it.
Come on, Alex, come in. Open this one.
Get it out, Daddy. Let's see what
Let's
it
see
is.
what it is. What? What could it be? What do you think it is, baby? A box.
It's a box. Here. You gotta go like this.
Is it a box? Yes, it's a box. What's in the box?
It's a jewelry box.
What?
Let's see.
Oh, that
Open
one says
here.
Alex. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Stamps. Oh, isn't
my
that cute?
gosh.
Here's yours.
Oh my
Betty.
goodness.
This one's yours because it says Betty.
You gotta be kidding me.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Betty, look at all the
Betty
Betty.
D.
Betty,
Oh
Betty, Betty,
And
Betty.
it says it in Japanese.
Sissies.
No, it doesn't. That is the cutest thing ever.
No, the pink ones, these are yours, right?
Can you
These
say thank you?
That's Alex.
Thank you.
That's
Can you
Alex.
say thank you, Alex?
Alex, put them in here. See, they go in there.
Yeah,
Yeah, these are stamps.